Shakiba and what? Explain what Shakib brings on the table. Eh?
Kissing each other.
Care for yourselves. That is the new curriculum. The new what? Now, all the curriculum. Where are the all the curriculum students? All the curriculum students, where are you? Yes. Napoleon in Nawati. Napoleon Bonaparte said that Germany has its eyes not on Prussia's liberals but on its might. The great question of the day will not be solved by mere speeches and resolutions of the majority, but through blood and iron. Elucidate. English is too much. It is because we are living in a confused world, where we do not know is the confused and the what. Musicians are confusing Ugandans. Ugandans are confusing music. Music comes from the word mew. Tell your neighbor, mew. Repeat after me, mew. To amuse, to awati. Music is like a volcaniste, volcawati. It is the eruption of magma from the earth's core through the diaphragm to produce sound, to produce what? That's why in Uganda we have active volcanic musicians and dormant volcanic what? Active volcanic musicians. These are the Ugandan musicians who produce hit by what? Who are some of the active volcanic musicians? King Saha. Saha active dormant. Active dormant. King Saha. Active dormant. Active. Killer for King Saha once again. Bebe Kulu. Active dormant. Togera mazima. Active dormant. Eh? Namwe. Bebe Kulu active dormant. Active dormant. Bebe Kulu. Active dormant. Anyone from Gagamel? Why? Bebe Kulu is an active volcanic musician. Bobby Wine. Active dormant. Bobby Wine, active dormant. Dormant. Active. Which song? Which song? Wanji? So, Kilas, Bobby Wine active dormant. Active. Bobby Wine is an active volcanic musician. Queen Sheeba, active dormant. Cindy, active dormant. Active dormant. Alien Skinny, active dormant. Eh? Dormant. Fangoni Forest, active dormant. Abudumulasi. 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 Jeno Megadi. Kileva J. Walukaga. Wire Mukabya. Eh? Gloria Bugi. Active dormant. Museveni. Wanji. Eh? Dono yagala ya kalachi. Mpenko ni dormant active. Dormant. Museveni is dormant squared. Because we are living in a confused what? Lovers are confusing love and love is confusing love. Lovers are confusing love and love is confusing love. Love is like a Venn diagram, a Venn diawati, where lover A is confusing lover what? But they are all interested in the shaded part. Ask your neighbor, do you have a shaded party? Touch to your neighbor's shaded party. Touch to your neighbor's shaded. Is that the shaded party? Because we are living in a confused world. Teachers are confusing students, students are confusing it. All this comes because of colonialism. Korowati. If we are not colonized, Uganda would have been a better place. Clap for Uganda once again. It is because of colonialism that we started useless history. Useless what? From the koi wati. From the koi to the sons to the what? Then shakazu. Shakazu. Then dingiswa. Then ngoni maigure. Then majimaji ribe. Of prophet Chinjikitirengwa. Then our confusion went to the Basoga Basowati, up to Baganda Bawati. Then Baganda came up with what we call Maragarism, Maragawati. Tell your neighbor, Maragarism. Repeat after me, Maragarism. Everything in Uganda is now Maragadani, Maragawati. People Maragasiti, Maragawati. Musicians Maragasingi, Maragawati. Teachers Maragatichi, Maragawati. That's why students in Malagapasi, Maragawati. Teachers are confusing students, students are confusing it. A teacher comes to class and says, Kirasi, Kirawati. Musa entered the church without shoes. Without what? Kirasi, begin with the shoes. Begin with the shoes. Shoes what?
Enter as Musa.
Shoes enter what? Okello is climbing a tree to eat mangoes. Beginning with the mangoes. Mangoes are what? Mangoes are eating Okello. Because we are living in a confused what? That's why a person born in Uganda is a Yuga. A person born in Uganda is a Yuga. A person born in Kenya. Malawi. 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 Mala? A person born in Malawi, Tanzania, Rwanda, Rwanda, Lesotho, Sisi, Botswana, South Africa. You are very bright, South African. Somalia, Djibouti yani? Nigeria, Burkina Faso, Bukti, a person born in Burkina Faso, Sisi,
Burkina Faso.
Stupid. Bukinabe, Bukiwati, a person born in London, Londonese, Poland. A person born in Kampala, Kampalana. A person born in Kampala, Kampalana. A person born in Kampala, Morotona, Guluna, Lila, Kapchorana, Luero, Nakasekena. Entebbe, Bwayise, Kawempe, Chira, Wakiso, a person born in Hoima, Tata, a person born in Hoima,
Oimana,
Bustemana. That's why I tell your neighbor, Nti. Repeat after me, Nti. Repeat after me, Nti. This is a special announcement. This is a special announcement. It goes to every student. We should be proud of our continent. Being black is not an embarrassment. National Environmental Management, thank you for your commitment of protecting our environment. But don't minimize our environment. Minimize on the harassment. I had a friend called Vincent. Vincent got an accident. We went to hospital for treatment. If you could see the equipment that was used on his hip, teachers, you could learn. All this comes because of embezzlement in the House of Parliament. Now tell your neighbor and see. Repeat after me and see. Before independence, love was full of Roma. People could move longer distance with no camera surveillance. But after independence, love lost relevance. It is now about to final. I had a friend called Lole. He was dating Flore. He was dating Flore. They went to Club Ambia. DJ played in Adidas. DJ played in Adidas. They started closing the disc. His target was her entry. From there they went to Kaja for the night da. For the night da. She's now claiming of pregnant. Lawrence said Ogwamunana. Lawrence said Ogwamunana. You can now go to your dormitories. Teacher Mpamire, thank you so much.
Yo, careful, teacher.